by buying pastels, watercolor, paint, canvases of all kinds. So when you sell a big canvas, you could make up to $25-ish. When you sell a small canvas, you could sell it up to $15. So now we have to talk about painting.
Painting's awesome. Okay, so painting. You don't want to make it. Okay, so you can make it super duper fancy. But people like when kids make it original and make it like a kid actually made it.
Okay, now let's talk about canvases. You can get a big canvas like 16 inches by 20 inches or a small canvas that's like 10 by 10. The big canvases cost twice as much, but they're quite a bit bigger, and you can sell them for more. So the big canvases also, they're going to take longer to paint than the smaller canvases for obvious reasons. And, it's just going to cost more, a lot of stuff. So I would recommend having 4 big canvases and 6 small canvases for your art show. You have anything to say, Hannah?
Well, yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's gonna take you a shorter amount of time to paint the small canvases. Yeah, so I recommend doing a whole lot more of those. Yeah, pretty much what Charlie said. So.
Okay, so let's get to what you should paint and what people want. Like Hannah said earlier, people want kid drawings. If you do it too fancy, they'll like it, but they kind of splotches, kind of cool stuff. I would try to do some amazing ones and some cool abstract things, mountain ranges, but don't do people usually. Actually, if someone asks for a portrait, you could offer portraits also. That's a thing.
But if you're a young kid, feel free to paint like one person because their people are always really good.
Yeah. And then also you can put oceans, mountains, like I said. You can do simple, easy things. It really doesn't matter too much. We should probably get back to talking about flyers, though.
One more thing to add, though, is that you want something that people would want in their house. You don't want something that would look weird on their wall or weird somewhere on their shelf.
Yeah, so you want it to look pretty. So, flyers. You want it to be pretty good. You want it to say, this is when the art showing is, the 17th of June, let's say. And then you give them a flyer, say, I hope you come, and it's going to be great. The paintings range from this to this. And that's kind of the whole thing. Well, I will see you later. Bye.
Bye.
I hope you liked today's video, and I hope we see you another time. Also, we rate this as about a 6 out of 10 because you earn $23 an hour, which is pretty good for a kid. Well, we'll see you later. Bye.